Welcome everyone to what might be the most eye-opening discussion about eggs and nutrition you will hear this year. Today, I am going to reveal the complete truth about egg consumption that will shatter common myths and provide you with science-based facts that could transform your daily eating habits forever. By the end of this presentation, you will know exactly how many eggs you should eat daily, why previous cholesterol concerns were misguided, and how to maximize the incredible nutritional benefits that eggs provide for your health. Stay with me until the very end, because I will share specific recommendations for different health conditions and cooking methods that could make a dramatic difference in your overall wellness. Questions about egg consumption arise constantly in nutritional consultations around the world. Should we eat eggs every day? What quantity is actually recommended? And how should people with high cholesterol approach egg consumption? These are the essential questions we will answer today with comprehensive scientific evidence and practical recommendations. Eggs constitute a remarkable protein source, containing approximately 13% of proteins with exceptional biological quality that surpasses most other protein foods. This protein excellence is explained by the presence of all essential amino acids in ideal proportions that our bodies can utilize perfectly. Unlike other protein foods such as meat or cereals, which generally present limiting amino acids, eggs offer a complete amino acid profile that supports optimal health. These amino acids are qualified as essential because our organism cannot synthesize them independently, making dietary intake absolutely indispensable for proper cellular function. Eggs perfectly meet this nutritional need while providing remarkable protein assimilation that allows optimal utilization by our cells throughout the body. Before we continue exploring these incredible nutritional benefits, please take just one moment to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because the information I am sharing today could revolutionize your approach to nutrition, and I want to make sure you never miss our health-transforming content. From an economic perspective, eggs remain an affordable alternative to expensive meat and fish proteins, despite recent price increases due to inflation. This affordability makes eggs a valuable ally for diversifying protein intake without excessively impacting your food budget while maintaining excellent nutritional quality. Egg fats concentrate exclusively in the yolk, representing approximately 10% of total weight, while egg white contains no fat and consists solely of high-quality proteins. This unique distribution allows adapted consumption according to individual nutritional needs and dietary preferences. These beneficial lipids consist mainly of monounsaturated fatty acids, similar to those present in heart-healthy olive oil. Approximately 50% of egg fats belong to this beneficial category for cardiovascular system support. The lipid profile is completed by saturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, notably precious omega-3 fatty acids that provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Certain eggs enriched with omega-3 deserve particular attention because this richness is obtained by feeding hens with foods rich in these essential fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids then naturally pass into eggs, offering an additional means of enriching our daily diet with these crucial nutrients. Eggs effectively contain cholesterol, which has long fueled unnecessary concerns about their consumption among health-conscious individuals. However, numerous scientific studies have conclusively demonstrated that egg consumption does not increase blood cholesterol levels in healthy individuals. Egg consumption also does not increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases within the framework of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Blood cholesterol management depends much more on overall dietary balance than on eliminating eggs from your nutrition plan. Avoiding industrial fats and dangerous trans fatty acids proves much more crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health than limiting egg intake. A low glycemic index diet, rich in fiber and whole foods, effectively protects the cardiovascular system while allowing regular egg consumption. In the absence of proven cardiovascular pathology, consuming 2 eggs per day poses absolutely no health problems for most individuals. This recommendation includes eggs present in culinary preparations such as quiches, pastries, and baked goods. The guideline refers to an average daily intake, including all forms of egg consumption, rather than necessarily eating 2 whole eggs every single day. For people suffering from cardiovascular diseases with elevated cholesterol levels, limitation to 7 eggs per week appears more prudent and medically appropriate. This weekly quantity can be freely distributed throughout the week according to personal preferences and various culinary preparations. Discussion with your attending physician, nevertheless, remains recommended to personalize this advice according to your specific health condition. Eggs are distinguished by their extremely low carbohydrate content, similar to meat or fish, which explains why the glycemic index concept does not apply to this food. Despite low carbohydrates, eggs provide remarkable richness in essential micronutrients that make them a nutritionally dense food choice. Carotenoids, responsible for the vibrant yellow color of egg yolk, possess remarkable antioxidant properties that protect cellular health. These powerful compounds particularly protect the eyes from age-related degenerative diseases while supporting overall vision health. Zinc and selenium complete this impressive antioxidant profile, strengthening cellular defenses against oxidative stress and environmental toxins. Vitamins B9 and B12 present in eggs contribute significantly to anemia prevention while supporting numerous essential metabolic functions. Their presence makes eggs particularly valuable for maintaining optimal nutritional status and preventing common vitamin deficiencies. Egg digestibility largely depends on preparation method, with soft-boiled, medium-boiled, or hard-boiled eggs generally digesting very easily. These simple cooking methods preserve protein structure while ensuring excellent nutrient assimilation and minimal digestive stress. Preparations requiring added fats, such as omelets or fried eggs, can pose digestive difficulties for sensitive individuals. Added oil or butter slow gastric emptying and complicate the digestion process, potentially causing discomfort. Observing your own digestive reactions allows identification of the best tolerated preparation methods for your individual system. Eggs can carry certain pathogenic bacteria, notably Salmonella, which can cause food poisoning with unpleasant gastroenteritis symptoms. Prevention relies on simple but essential hygiene measures that significantly reduce contamination risks. Careful hand washing before handling eggs constitutes the most important preventive measure against bacterial contamination. Often, contamination originates from human handling rather than the egg itself, making proper hygiene absolutely crucial. Complete cooking destroys heat-sensitive bacteria, significantly reducing health risks associated with egg consumption. Eggs provide prolonged satiety sensation thanks to their exceptional protein richness, making them an excellent choice for balanced breakfast meals. Hard-boiled eggs prove particularly filling due to their dense texture and concentrated nutritional profile. This natural appetite-suppressing characteristic proves valuable within weight management programs by helping control cravings and reducing snacking between meals. Integrating eggs into main meals contributes significantly to overall nutritional balance and sustained energy levels throughout the day. 2 daily eggs integrate perfectly into a balanced diet for the vast majority of healthy individuals without any negative health consequences. This consumption can be distributed across different meals according to personal preferences and cooking creativity. Protein-rich breakfast featuring eggs constitutes an excellent way to start each day with sustained energy and optimal nutrition. Eggs ultimately represent a remarkable food choice due to their incredible nutritional density and exceptional culinary versatility. Regular egg consumption fits perfectly into a healthy and balanced eating approach that supports long-term wellness. Previous cholesterol concerns should no longer constitute a barrier to reasonable egg consumption for most healthy individuals. Remember to like this video if you found this information valuable, share it with anyone who could benefit from these facts, and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content that could transform your health.